Oh, are you not getting in this one either?
I don't think so.
You know what? Just thinking about if you were stuck on a desert island, a polar island, what would you do if you needed to survive?
Oh, jeez.
Brainstorm.
It's cozy.
Everybody just hold on. Hold on.
Okay. Here we go.
The masterclass.
Yeah, I'm watching. Oh, it's waterproof.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, I'm holding on.
10 plus water.
I got the lucky spot, didn't I?
This is serious, but it's fine.
You might get a little smoke on the bow there, Jack. What is it?
Tell me water.
You can sit just there if you like.
Funny.
Yeah, whatever.
Serious all get up, that's funny.
Okay. Yeah, I have to. Oh yeah, having a swell time. Yeah, she looks well on that.
Well, we're getting a cruise. That's what we're doing now.
It's a lovely little cruise.
Yeah,
eh?
it's really unusual.
I just get the feeling you're not very wanting to go in.
I'm kind of having a good time.
About 6 have gone in.
Yeah,
Right.
that's happening here.
Going for the journey.
There's an order of things here. Hierarchy system.
There was no order to it. I didn't want to push it. But you know, it's sort of embarrassing.
I just don't know
What kind of do? Seems wrong. You're pushing in, Jenny.
Yeah, start pushing in. Get that? We're coming in.
That's cool, Jenny. That's cool.
Oh, darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand.
Stand by me. Stand by me.
the captain. Captain, go ahead. Okay, stop operations for now. We will move ahead. Stop operations for now. Lift the ground is left for passengers. Lift the ground is left for passengers for the fire. Now we can move ahead. Stop operations. You have immediately talk to 4 passengers. Stop the operations. We'll move ahead. I will let you know. I will let you know.
Well, that was a good one to end on, wasn't it?
That was fun.
All right,